Lesson 23 of Volume 1. Reading practice number 7. Dear Miss Overman, colon, now that the campaign is over and I have been elected mayor of Astoria, comma, I must acknowledge with thanks the very important part you played in my election, period. I know that you devoted several hours of your time every day to telephoning voters and to campaigning in general, period. I sincerely appreciate your efficiency and your devotion to our cause, paragraph. There is no question that without your creative help and that of hundreds of other good citizens, comma, the election would definitely have ended quite differently, paragraph. I assure you, comma, Miss Overman, comma, that my organization and I will do our best to demonstrate to the people of Astoria that they made a wise choice in this general election, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 8. Dear Dr. Overton, every year since 1950, comma, the Parker General Manufacturing Company has been able to give its shareholders the same good news, a dividend check, paragraph. Our organization has definitely been doing things right for a considerable time, period. We developed the first completely automatic garage door, period. Our office machines department created the first copying device, period. Our aviation division has helped to develop efficient nuclear devices, period. We are not only doing things right in the domestic area, but wherever our products are sold abroad as well. Paragraph. Enclosed is a copy of our financial bulletin. Period. We suggest that you read it over at your leisure. Period. If you have any questions about our organization, I would appreciate it if you would write to me personally. Period. I promise to acknowledge your letter and to answer your questions fully. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 9. Dear Miss Short, on Tuesday, November 4, the citizens of Sedalia will vote on the important question of whether the city should purchase the land on Central Street that is presently owned by Mr. Jim White, head of National Advertising Associates, period. His organization wants to sell it to the city at a reasonable price. Paragraph. As your mayor, I definitely urge you to vote yes, period. This area consists of about 5 square blocks of badly needed land, period. This valuable site is directly across the street from the City Hall, and this unique area will immediately provide many recreational advantages and opportunities for our citizens. Paragraph. The time to buy this land is now rather than later. Paragraph. So, when you step into the voting booth next Tuesday morning, press the lever that says yes on the proposition to purchase this desirable piece of land, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 10. Gentlemen, yesterday I kept an appointment with Dr. Harold Yell of the Health Department of Peoria, in which we talk about the importance of developing more recreational areas in the city. Paragraph. After the meeting was over, we were in complete agreement on one thing, period, in order to organize and carry out a plan to build and maintain these recreational areas, we will definitely need the assistance of the business organizations in the city. Their help will be essential, period. We think, that we will have to have an appropriation of not less than $200,000 from the city. Paragraph. Could you send a representative from your organization to a general meeting on Wednesday, January 15, in which we will outline several different plans that we have in mind, paragraph. We would appreciate an acknowledgement of this letter soon so that we can proceed with our work in planning the meeting. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 11. Mrs. Bookman, the circular which I am enclosing has not been too effective, so the smartest thing we can do is get rid of our remaining copies, period. My records indicate that you have 15,000 of them in our Des Moines shipping room, period. Please sell them as waste paper, period. I will be glad to make whatever saving we can on our investment in these circulars, period. Ethel Sweet. Reading practice number 12. Dear friend, I have had the personal pleasure of owning and operating Temple's department store since February 1960, period. Now, it is time for me to retire and close up shop, period. The best way I can say thanks for the business you gave me during the years is to offer all my remaining stock for sale at a 50% reduction paragraph. To help you take advantage of this sale, I am putting more salespeople on each of the 4 floors, period. And we will remain open Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday between 9 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon. Period. Sincerely yours.